అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక క్లాస్ అయినా తీసుకో.
సరేనా?
Yeah, very good morning girls. Once again welcome to the class of numerical analysis, and in the last class we discussed the concept of the Simpson 1/3 and Simpson 3/8. Okay, now here I am going to discuss the application, which is a very easy application. Now, and one more thing I want to say to you girls. So already now I discussed one application, right? So you can take that one application and you can apply all these methods. By that you can see the difference. Okay. So now here Simpson's rule, yeah. Okay. I'm going to discuss the same application with the Simpson rule. Okay, we have to get the same answer. So now here, what is the question mark? So just now I gave, that is nothing but 7.47, 7.48, 7.49 and so on, right? So now here same question, just write the same question, but what you have to write there? So either I said that by trapezoidal rule, so now by Simpson 1/3 and 3/8. Okay. Now here we have to know the values. Okay, now here n is equal to, what will be the n value? I am taking the Simpson 1/3 rule solution. Okay, application. N equal to how many values? 0 to 5. N equal to 5. And h is equal to, of course, 0.01. Okay, next here. Integral x0 to x5 y dx. No, can I write this? Of course we can. Okay, so now here I have that y dx, which is equal to h by 3. Directly I am writing the formula because I am going to substitute n value here. Now y0 plus 4 of, here n minus 1. What is n? 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. We have to take up to 4. But 4 is nothing but even number. Right? So that's why here y1 plus y3. Next up y5. Right? So now here y5 means we have to take n outside, last value. Right? So now here y1 plus y3 plus 2 of, what will be the even value? y2. So మీరు ఇది ఎవ్రీ టైం చేంజ్ అవుతుందండి, అదొకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. సో జనరల్లీ ఏంటంటే generally here we have that the values for n is nothing but 6 ma, but 6 తీసుకుంటే ఒకసారి వస్తుంది ఒకసారి రాట్లే. Now in this Simpson 1/3 will take that 6. Now 6 minus 1 means 5. So but we have to take that. Otherwise see the table, I will give the clarity. Just ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం, 7.48, 7.49 టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ నుంచి వెళ్ళండి. ఫార్ములా కన్నా టేబుల్ తీసుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే టేబుల్లో మీకు ఐడియా ఉంటాయి కదా ఎన్ని వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చారని. ఈ ఎన్ వాల్యూ ఏంటంటే ఒక్కో దానికి ఒక్కొక్క వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. సో అది మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు దేనికి ఏది తీసుకోవాలని. సో టేబుల్ నుంచి అయితే మెథడ్కి అది క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది. 2.01, 2.03, 2.06. Now listen, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Yeah, 5 వచ్చేసి. Now here y0 is first value, y5 is last value. Okay, next y1, y3, for this one we have to take odd numbers. Next even numbers are y2, y4. So here plus y4 plus y5. Okay, now last ఏం చెక్ చేయాలి? all values we have y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So like this you have to check. So now just substitute the values here. Here integral 7.47 to 7.52 y dx is equal to h is 0.01 by 3. What is y0 ma? 1.93 plus 4 of y1 plus y3 2.01 plus 2 of y2 1.98 plus 2.03 plus 2.06. Now calculate it. 0.01 ఇందాక ఏమొచ్చిందండి వాల్యూ 0.01 divided by 3. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది 0.03 of 1.93 plus take the sum and into 4. 1.95 plus 2.01 equal to and into 4. 15.84 plus again 1.98 plus 2.01 03 into 2. 8.02 plus 2.06 mark. Okay, now take the addition of all this. 1.93 plus 15.84 plus 8.02 plus 2.06 into 0.003. Now it is 0.17 1.93 plus 15.84 plus 8.02 plus 2.06 into 0.003. 0.08355. So this is nothing but the value. So for the previous one, what we got, we got some 0.09. So trapezoidal ki and దీనికి ఇంకా less వచ్చేసింది because there we took that h by 2 and here h by 3. So that's why definitely difference ఉంటుంది, same answer రాదు. బట్ ఏంటంటే అదే చెప్పాను నేను మీకు, ఒక అప్లికేషన్ తీసుకొని if you apply all these formulas, all this method, then you can see the difference అని. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, 1/3 నుంచి ఇంకొంచెం వాల్యూస్ని రెడ్యూస్ చేసాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డిస్కస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ put aside in Simpson 3/8 rule. 3/8. So just now I gave the formula for this one. Integral x0 to xn y dx plus equal to 3h by 8. 3/8 kadandi. So 3h by 8 of y0 plus 3 of y1 plus y2. 3 multiples ఏం చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లో రాయాలి. సో y4 plus so on y, what is the value, n minus 2 plus yn minus 1. Okay, plus 2 of y3 y6 plus so on y3n generally, otherwise n minus 3. Okay, just give a second. So now here we have to substitute n is equal to 5. So now write down so now here no need to write the lost values here, because if you write the lost value then we will get the confusion. y4 plus here y5 plus so on plus 2 of y3 plus y6 plus so on. Okay, so if you want to write, then simply take another formula. That's it, no? That is the formula. This is the easy formula, okay? So now here simply what you have to remember, for Simpson 3/8, 3 of the all values. y0 will be the first value and the next value will be 3 of y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus so on, and of course here what we get last value will be yn. Okay, so now here y0, yn finish, and here we will get that all the values except 3 multiples. Now here n is equal to 5. Now x0 to x5 by dx is equal to 3h by 8 y0. So y0, yn అనేవి individual values. So y0 plus 3 of y3 ఒకటే ఉంది కదా 3 multiple. So that's why 3 of y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y5. ఇప్పుడు క్లారిటీ ఉంటుంది మీకు, ఓకేనా? Plus 2 of 3 multiples. Only we have one value, that is 2y3 plus yn means y5. ఇక్కడ 5 రాకూడదు మరి, అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Okay, because the yn value will be lost individual value. So now it is 3 of 0.01 by 8 of y0 is 1.93 plus 3 of 1.95 plus 1.98 plus 2.03 plus 2 of 2.01 plus 2.06. Now 3 into 0.01 divided by 8, 0.00375. Now 1.93 plus, take the sum of these, 1.95 plus 1.98 plus 2.03 equal to, and into 3. So then 17.88 plus 2.01 into 2. 4.02 plus 2.06. Now take the addition and multiplication. 1.93 plus 17.88 plus 4.02 plus 2.06 into 0.00375. Now it is nothing but 0.0970875. It is 0.09701. Simple. So this is nothing but the method by using the Simpson 1/3 and Simpson 3/8. Yeah. So this is nothing but the concept, and remember one thing, if they gives one question and they ask that there is a chance to answer by using the trapezoidal rule and by using the Simpson rule. If they mention Simpson rule, then it is enough to take that 1/3 rule. Okay, if they mention Simpson 1/3, otherwise Simpson 3/8. If they mention like that, then you have to follow. Okay, so this is nothing but the method of Simpson 3/8 rule. Next, what we have, put a side heading, Boole's, BOOLES, Boole's and Wedel's rule. Boole's and Wedel's rule. Boole's and Wedel's rule. Write down. If we wish to retain the differences up to those of the fourth order, we should integrate between x0 and x4. Obtain Boole's formula. అంటే 4 వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు బూల్స్ అనేది ఈజీగా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? రైట్ డౌన్ now. Now I am writing the formulas, write as it is. Integral x0 to x4 y dx, 2h by 45, 7y0 plus 32y1 plus 12y2. You have to remember this entire formula as it is. And error. If you want to calculate the error in this Boole's law, the error is minus 8h power 7 by 945 y power 6th derivative of x. Okay, next Wedel's rule. So Verdel's rule is integral x0 to x6 for 6 values. Y dx 5y1, y2, 6y3, y4 plus 5y5 plus y6. That's it. We don't have and so on n values. So simply if you have n is equal to 6, you have to use Verdel's rule. If you have n is equal to 4, then you have to use this Boole's law. That's it. Okay. Next I am going to give another formula for this one, for the next one. Write down another formula. Cubic spline in integration. We have it is in our differentiation also. Yesterday we discussed, but now I am giving in integration part. Write down capital I is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n h by 2 of yi minus 1 plus yi minus h cube by 24 of mi minus 1 plus mi. Okay, where mi comma the spline second derivatives are calculated. How we will calculate the m values? Yesterday we discussed one formula, mi minus 1 plus 4 into mi plus mi plus 1 equal to 6 by h square of yi minus 1 minus 2yi plus yi plus 1. From this we have. Next write down. This is a last method. So after this one, now here I am giving 4 methods: Boole's law, Verdel's law, cubic spline in integration, Newton's force law, and after this one I will discuss the application. Now write down. Let the interpolation points xi comma, that is xi is equal to x0 comma I plus h, x0 plus I into h, where I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on n. And let the endpoints of the interval of integration be placed such that a equal to x0 and what is b? xn. b equal to xn and h equal to b minus a by n. That means xn minus x0 by n. Then the definite integral ante I equal to integral a to b y dx. Definite integral is evaluated by an integration formula of the type right as it is. So integration అన్ని చేసాక ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, సమ్మింగ్ వస్తుంది. ఇంటిగ్రల్ a to b అంటే we can divide it into some 0 to 1, 1 to plus integral 1 to 2, like that we can. So that's why here I am taking the summation. Where the coefficients ci are determined completely by the value of xi, value of the xi, and box it, take it as equation number 1. Here the equation 1 is called as Newton Cotes closed integration formula. Newton Cotes closed integration formula. Write down next line. They are closed since the endpoints a and b are extreme extreme, abscissa in the formula. Next write down. The simplest Newton-Cotes closed formulas are given below. Given below. Next write down. On the other hand, formula which do not employ the endpoints are called Newton-Cotes, comma, open integration formula. Newton-Cotes open integration formula. We give the 5 simplest Newton-Cotes open integration formula as so how many simplest formulas we have? 5. So I am going to give all those. Just write. Actually here we don't have any applications related to this course law. Just we have the applications related to mainly trapezoidal rule, Simpson rule. Okay. ఈ రెండు మెథడ్స్ మీకు వచ్చాయంటే లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు సింపుల్గా. సో ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి క్లియర్గా. ఓకే. మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుందంటే టేబుల్ నుంచి చెప్పాను కదా ఎలా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలో, అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఐ విల్ డిస్కస్ సమ్ మోర్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆల్సో. సో ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ వరీ. అండ్ నౌ హియర్ రైట్ డౌన్. Write all these formulas as it is. A1, D1. If you observe clearly, x0 to x2, x0 to x3. So they are changing the value of the n here. y1 minus 14y2. So now these are nothing but the Newton-Cotes formula. Simply the Newton-Cotes formula says that the integration of x0 to x2, integration of x0 to x3, x4, x5, x6. Okay, so generally here these are nothing but we can use the trapezoidal and Simpson and Weddell's and Boole's. So ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇందులో వచ్చేసాయండి. But the thing is nothing but here they are taking including the error. ఈ error తో కలిపి తీసుకుంటున్నారు. This is nothing but the second value is nothing but the error. Generally the formula is this. Okay, so ఇవి ఏం ఎక్కువ అప్లికేషన్స్ అడిగారు, బట్ దే లాస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద రిమైనింగ్ దోస్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ trapezoidal, Simpson 1/3, Simpson 3/8, 3 అయిపోయాయి మెథడ్స్, Boole's, Weddell's 5 and a cubic split. Okay. Now write down one question. A solid of revolution is formed by rotating about the x-axis, the area between the x-axis, comma, the lines x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, and a curve through the points with the following coordinates. I am taking the table x, y. Of course, in the question they gave right as it is. Okay, this is the table. Estimate the volume of the solid formed. Give the answer to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. So actually here what they are asking, they are asking to find the total, area. Okay, between the axes x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. X equal to 0 and x equal to 1 here. X equal to 0 and here x equal to 1. So they divided the integration into these parts. So 0 to 0.25, like 0.25, this is one part, this is one part, this is one part, like that. So now here it is x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Now what will be the value of n here? 4. So we have to take that one and we have to solve. Now we have to solve this one simply by using the Simpson. Okay, now write down. If capital V is the value of the solid, then the formula is actually V is equal to pi x square we will consider, but here what we are taking in terms of y, so that's why V is equal to pi integral x0 to x and y square dx. Pi x square we will consider generally, but here x are nothing but limits, integration we are taking, that's why in this way we have to take the formula. Now write it. Here we need the values of y square. Then so take the table like this, x, y, and next what we have to know? Y square. So 1 square is nothing but obviously 1 only. Next, take the calci and calculate 0.9896 square, 0.9793. I am taking only 4 digits. Next, 0.9589 square, 0.91948 I have, so I am taking 95. 0.9089 square, 0.8261, 0.8415 square mark, that is 0.70812. So I am taking that 7081. Now we have the values of the y square. Now simply we have to take the formula of the Simpson rule and directly we have to substitute the values and we have to calculate. Now write down here n is equal to 4. H equal to 0.25 minus 0.00. That is nothing but 0. What we get here? 25. The value of the H is nothing but interval length is 0.25. Otherwise 0.50 minus 0.25. Like this you can calculate. Then you will get the interval length. Okay. So this is nothing but the application. Of course I am going to discuss this one, but I will continue in the next class. We will discuss the next proof of this problem. Okay. So thank you everyone.